Hello everyone. So how are you guys? I hope am I audible? Come on, say it's clearly am I audible? Yes or no? Yes or no? I guess it would be yes. I get it. It would be yes. Okay. So guys, before starting, hi. The voice is very low. My voice is low. Okay. Is it fine now? I think so. Now it's fine. It's fine now. Please say, is it fine? So how are you guys? What is Deba Mitra? Yes, okay, that's thank you. So guys, first of all, let's welcome you all to this class, and all of you know that we have started this batch, which is Achievers batch. I think all of you know about this batch, which is Achievers batch, SBI PO 2627, 350 live videos, test plus AI analysis, detailed coverage, 360 study kit, and these are the educators who will be guiding you. Secondly, the most important thing is that we also have a super elite. We also have a banking super elite. I hope you guys know about it. So let me just give you the brief introduction of that. So we also have guys banking. If you want to go to any of the plans, you can just prefer going banking super elite, SS to all courses, English Hindi medium, 3000 plus live classes for major exams, 2000 plus test with AI analysis, reattempt test mode enabled, and PYPs as well. Again, every time these are like something, every time I just talk about the motivation, right? Before starting the class, I talk about the motivation. I hope you guys know that what is the today's winning strategy and agenda. So basically agenda is quite simple, that we are going to discuss quadratic equation. That's also quite simple. Okay, that we are going to discuss a quadratic equation. Fine. A quadratic equation, that is so simple. But what is the most important point? That is our winning strategy. Again, you have, I would say you have 30 days left. In my POV, you have only 30 days left. So in this 30 days, you need to be very consistent and positive, because your preparation is a very good, your preparation is up to the mark. Just attend the sessions that you are liking it, and just find out the weak areas and work on that. So I would say that consistent is the most important factor. Please, in these days, you should practice more and more. So let's start giving you the first question, everyone, of today's. Actually, we are discussing quadratic equations, correct? And this is basically based on all the SBI PO prelims PYPs. Okay, so I will be giving you the timings, and you need to answer me that whether it's true or not, or whether the options are correct or not, whether you are like giving the answer in quick or not. Just hold on and keep the timer on, please. Whenever you are sitting, wherever you are sitting, just put the timer on, click on the timer, and then just answer me. Please do two things: keep in the speed and accuracy with you, and at the last in the comment section, please say that how much you got initially correct. Okay, let's start. So this is the first question. I hope this is visible. Equation is x square minus x minus 6. Second equation is y square equals to 4. Come on guys, fast. Fast answer me guys, everyone. And do share my session, please. Do like the session and do share the session to all of you, your friends. This much late? Come on, Shraddha. Answer me fast. This roots is quite easy, na? See, okay. You can just write down the options are mentioned here. It's Deva Mitra. Deva Mitra, options are there. You can see the options, option A, B, C, D. Everything is like present there, na? So you can just give the options as an answer, okay? So can I say the roots are basically +2 and -2? Quick. Yes. X square minus x means, can I say the roots would be -3 and +2? No. The opposite sign means +3 and -2. Is it right? +3 and -2. These are basically 4 roots of the equations. Is this clear? +3 and -2. So you can see that nothing is like correlated to it, isn't it? Nothing is correlated to it. So I would go for C and D. Cannot be determined, or option number C, which is x equals to y, or no relation. That's good one. Very good. Let's go for next. You have a second question. Come on, try. Do it fast. D, okay. Debamitra had answered D. X and Y are both a -2. Okay, let Shraddha should also answer. Let us wait. So X, here you will go what? +4 and -4, na? X to the power 4 is 256. So here you will go +4 and -4, isn't it? Come on. Here you will go +4 and -4. That's quite simple. And this is basically 8 8s are 64, na? 8 multiplied by 8. So the roots would be what? +8. So one is +8, other is also +8. Come on, I hope this is making sense. X to the power 4 equals to 256, then the roots would be +4 -4. So you have one is +4, other is -4. Then the second roots are +8 and +8. +4 -4, +8 and +8, X and Y. So basically from this +4, which is greater Y, from this +4, which is greater than Y, -4, which is greater than. So directly you can answer that X is greater than Y. Sorry, Y is greater than X. So Y is greater than X. Which option is correct? Option number B I would go for. B. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Do hit the bell icon, guys. Do hit the bell icon, please, everyone. It's a request. Come on, let's solve this. Do hit the bell icon, everybody. I think this is also pretty good. X square is -289. Y cube is 4913. Y cube means this is, I would say, 7. Okay. This can be answered. Yes. B. Okay. Okay. Guys, I would request that do share the session to all of you, please. It's a request, everybody. E is the answer. Okay, I got answer as an E. First answer I got E, which is Shraddha is answering me right now. Let me see. Very good, Shraddha. Anybody else? No, only Shraddha. Only Shraddha is answering me right now. Anybody else? No one. Okay, E. Devamitra also E. Devamitra, can you call others also in the class? So first of all, let me just solve this. Now see, guys, we can do like X square is basic. Oh, okay, X square is 289, na? So basically value of X is what? Two values will come. One is +17 and other is -17. Correct. Second, we have Y cube. Okay, if Y cube is basically Y is equal to cube of 4913. So basically Y is equal to 17. Correct. So guys, one would be equal. X and Y would be definitely equal. If you go for plus 17, then this is equal. From minus 17, this would be y is greater, right? So which is the option? Option which one? Option is which one? I think option number E is the correct answer. Don't is right. E, everybody. Okay, that's a great. No, E. We have. Come on, say. E is the correct answer for all of you. Can you please say? Everyone got the E is the correct answer. It was easy one, guys. Okay, that's great. Let's go for next one. That's low one. Now my voice is audible now to all of you. Now this was asked in IBPS PO pre 2025. This is basically problem of IBPS PO pre. IBPS PO pre 2025. This was the problem. X square equals to 14 ka square minus 189. So 196. Come on, answer first. You guys should answer. Then I'll answer. Guys, do share the session. Come on, everyone. That would be a big help if you guys share. Just call your friends. Shraddha, Debamitra. Just call your friends. I want that watching should be much more. I want that watching should be much more. Come on, guys. So from here you can say the equation. Basically, x equals to 196 minus 188. The value of x would be 8 directly, okay? Now y is equal to 8 ka cube minus 7 ka cube, which is 5112 minus 343. So this would be x equals to 5112 minus 343 minus of 160. So that should be how much? Sorry, this is y. Y is equal to 9, okay? So x 8, y 9. So I can say that x is less than y. If x is less than y, which option is correct? Option number B. That's good one. Hi Devika, how are you? Do like the session, everyone. Do like it. This is SBI Clerk Shift 2. SBI Clerk Shift 2 question. Please try. X square, the value of x would be how much? That directly write down. Plus 8 minus 8. Y cube minus 343. So value of y would be minus 7. Correct? Now just compare. I would say no relation. C and D, option number C, because plus 8 minus 8 and minus 7. This is greater, then this would be greater. So x and y. See. That's great. Hi Robin, how are you? Today you were absent in the class, Robin. I don't know why. Try fast. SBI Clerk. (2023). Come on. No worries, please try. Okay, Robin, it's fine. Please try this. Am I audible now? That's D is the most of you are answering like D. Most of people are answering D. Yajni also D. That's great. Thank you, Yajni, for coming. Thank you. So guys, let's see this. This is basically x square minus 14x minus 2x plus 70 minus 7 barabar 0 equals to 0. So x square minus 16x plus 63 is equal to 0. Okay, 7 nines are 7 nines are. So this would be minus 9 minus 7. Roots would be plus 9 and plus 7. Make sense? Directly we can do plus 9 plus 7. Okay. Now this is basically y square equals to 49. Y is equal to plus 7 and minus 7. Okay. So if you go for this 9, which one is greater? X and y. X is greater. This 9, which one is greater? X is greater. Plus 7 equal. So x is greater than equals to y. This is the answer. X is greater than equals to y. Okay, volume should I increase? Wait a minute. Am I audible now? Is it fine? Option number D. Is it fine? Please say. Sumit, is it fine? Okay, understood. Let's solve this one. Please solve. Okay, please do it. Come on, solve. How you can answer this question? E, okay. Sumit is answering C, okay. Some is answering D and some is answering C. Why? D and C, okay. Let me just check. Guys, you should be very quick at the cube roots I have said you. This is directly 13 now. D, okay. Now whenever I write that x ka cube is 2197, then value of x should be 13. This should be clear to all of you, okay. Now y square minus 18y plus 65 is basically 13 into 5 and 13 into 5, isn't it? Isn't it? Come on, say. And this would be minus 13 and minus 5. So the roots would be plus 13 and plus 5, correct? So now see x and y, if you'll write down, this should be equal, this should be greater. So simple. So x is greater than equal to y, no? Answer should be D. D. Please try. Solve. I thought that there would be like maximum people will watch me right now, but it seems like you don't share the session. So I would request that those who watches me, guys, do share the session. Okay, please. It's a request. C. Okay, C. C. Answer me fast. Come on. Answer me fast, everyone. Everyone is getting like C is the answer. Okay. Okay, see. First of all, x square is equal to 81. So I would write x equals to plus 9. Other is basically minus 9. Okay, I'll stretch one line. Then we have 2y plus 3 ka whole square. 2y plus 3 ka whole square equals to 49. Okay, then again 2y plus 3 is equal to plus 7. And second, 2y plus 3 is equal to minus 7. Is this correct? So we have two numbers. From here, from plus 7, what I get? 4. Y is equal to 2. And from here we get what? Minus 7. Minus 3. Y is equal to minus 5. Okay. Y is equal to minus 5. Is this correct? So can we compare? No, we cannot, because the relation from this only comes like C and D. So the answer to question is option number C. So do you watch the FIFA World Cup? Yeah, I watch. I have some great players over there, so I watch. You also? Deba Mitra, you also watch? I think most of the people watch. Okay. Very good. Okay. I also sometimes watch like FIFA. I really love FIFA. I think all of you watches now. Everyone, you guys watch the FIFA? Can you please say? Oh no, only I think. No, I don't support anyone. I just watch. I don't support. I think you support, na? Anybody's answer? Come on, guys, say. We are talking. You guys don't answering. ADA. Okay, that's a great. So I have favorite replay that is very like old one. X cube is equal to 7 ka cube minus 127. So x cube equals to 7 cube is what? 343. So 343 minus 127. So this would x cube would give you what, guys? Come on, say. X cube will give you 2 and 6. So x value is how much? 6. Is it right? This much is clear. Okay. Now this is 324. Okay. So y is equal to 324 minus 315. So value of y would be how much? 5, 20 and 9. So the value of y is 9. So directly which one is greater? So x is smaller than y. Is this correct? X is smaller. B. Messi, my favorite. My favorite is basically Cristiano Ronaldo. From my childhood. He's my dream player. So come on, try. Sometime I also like Neymar. Please wait, guys. We have some more questions. Please wait. We have a questions on. Please try this. This one. This is SBI PO prelims. SBI PO prelims 2023. Not very old, but it's good. Answer is D. Okay, anyone else? I also like Neymar, by the way, Deba Mitra. I used to like Neymar. Different answers are coming. You know, somebody's answering like C as well, D as well, C as well. Oh, that's great. Fine. I think this is the perfect time. So let me start. Let's see that. So guys, first of all, we have an equation. Let me just solve the equation first, okay, for you. We have 2x square plus 11x plus 14 is equal to 0. Fine, no? Okay. 14 2s are 28, or we can also write 7 and 4. So 7 and 4 are all positive. So minus 7 and minus 4 will be the roots. Is it correct? This would be the quick part, okay? Then we have one more equation. Let's solve that. We have 2y square plus 15y plus 28. Now see, learn the techniques also, everyone. Don't always like follow your steps, okay? See that also. Now it would be 56, and now you can also see that 8 sevens are 8 and 7 also comes 56. So this would be minus 8 and minus 7, correct? These are the roots basically. Now we need to compare, okay? So x and y I would write down here, then compare. Minus 4 minus 8, x is greater, fine. Minus 7 equals to, again x is greater than equals to y. Option number D is the absolutely right answer for this question. 1 marks. Okay, you like Neymar. That's fine. I like the skills of Neymar. He was not like normal. He was also a very good player, but I don't know why he was not being popular. So let me give you this question again, very important. SBI PO prelims. SBI PO prelims 2023. Solve. Only 5 likes are there. Why this much partiality with me? Please solve. I'll say you one trick. I'll give you one trick to solve it, okay? Give you one trick to solve this question. A. Okay, A. That's great. I've got answer like A. A. Okay, fine. Let's see. I think you guys have made like a lot of time you have taken. See, this is the exact question, and those who are giving like SBI PO prelims, they should focus on this kind of thing. Is there any trick? Yes, there is trick. What is that trick? Just listen carefully, everyone. Okay, just listen carefully. I'll solve one by one. 2x square plus 17x plus 36 equals to 0. Okay. Now we know 36 into 2 is how much? That we know. So can I write like see, the point is that this would be minus 8 and minus 9 and minus 8, correct? Fine, no? but I'm not multiplying the coefficient right now. Just leave like this, and you can do this to every method, right? Just wait. Now let's take another equation, which is 3y square plus 34y plus 96. Okay, now you have 96 into 3. You have 96 into 3, which is 96 into 3, which is what? 16 into 6. Okay, which is how much? 16 into 6 into 3. Okay, so 16 and 18 will give you 34. So now again it will inverse like minus 16 and minus 18. Correct? No. Is this much clear, everyone? Now I'm not doing anything. I'm not writing anything about the coefficient of x square and y square. I'm not writing down anything. Just inverse means just opposite. Write down the y coefficient here and write down the x coefficient here. Means just multiply the y coefficient with y coefficient, multiply this, means multiply this by 3. So 9 3s are minus 27, and minus 8 into 4, 8 into 3 is minus ka 24 is your exact. Now 2, 16 2s is basically 32, so minus 32, and 18 2s is 36, so minus ka 36. Okay, now just compare the value. Now you can compare the value if you want. Now you will say that minus 24 and minus 27, minus 32 and minus 36. At all cost, x is greater than y. This is your answer. Come on, say understood this process. And this can be applied to any method, any equation. Everyone please say, this been understood? Should I explain one more time? Should I explain this one more time? This should be understood to all of you. No. The answer, somebody is asking how you figure it out the factor very easily. I haven't just multiplied 36 into 2. 36 into 2, which is 9 into 8. And then I have done 96 into 3. See where I got the problem. I have written 96 into 3. I break the 96 into 16 into 6. Correct? I haven't multiplied, guys. I haven't multiplied the x ka coefficient and y ka coefficient. Learn this method, because this kind of question you are getting, you will get in the SBI exam. Okay, mind my word. Solve. This is very easy. Again, SBI PO prelims. SBI PO prelims. Bye. E. Okay, now I got the answer like E. Okay, now I think that this is very easy. Basically 10 into 2 is basically 20. How you can come 20 to like 9? 5 into 4 minus 5 and minus 4. Correct? Now this is 20, this is 44. How can become 44? 7, 11. So minus 7 that should come na, to plus 11 minus 4. Plus 11 minus 4. Is this correct? Okay, now you need to compare. If you want to compare, now you can compare very easily. Basically, how come? Minus 4 or 11, y is greater. Okay, minus 4, 11, minus 4 and minus 4 equals to. Okay, now again y is greater, so basically the answer is x is less than or equals to y. Option number E. Good one. Please learn, these methods are very important, very important. This is IBPS PO prelims. IBPS PO Prelims 2024. C. Okay. We got answer as C. Everyone answer. Yes. But for the safer side, you can just multiply. Sachin, you can also multiply that. Okay, that would be a correct way of answering. That's very good. Let me just show you. Now, guys, this is very easy now. That is 3 into 6. And that would be like minus 6 and minus 1. So that would be plus 6 and plus 1. The roots of the first equation. 6 2s are 12, 4 and 3, minus 4 and minus 3. So that would be plus 4 and plus 3. No relation. Is there any relation? No relation. So you just write down no relation. Option number C. I'm just requesting all of you to like the session, share with your friends, so that we can, like lot of students should join the class. PO Prelims 2024. PO Prelims 2024. Come on, solve fast. Now see, Shraddha, 12 3s are 36. Okay. 9 4s are 36, 13. This is how you need to break the number. But don't forget to multiply the coefficients. That is very much needed, to multiply the coefficients. You guys need to multiply the coefficients. It's very important. Okay, let me solve for all of you. See that how will I solve this? 3x square plus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now we know that 9 and 4 will give me 13 and 36 as well. So minus 9 and minus 4 will be my factors, correct? Now let's come. Y square plus 9y plus 20. Okay. Y square plus 9y plus 20. 20 is what? 5 into 4, correct? So that would be minus 4 and minus 5. But don't forget, the coefficient of x square, you haven't done anything. So just take out the coefficient of x square and multiply here. 3. So now this would be 12 and this would be 15. Now you not need to compare the fractions. Earlier you were comparing the fractions. Now you don't need to compare the fraction. At any cost, x is greater than y is my answer. Understood? So that would be option number A. A everyone, A. Option number A. Do not forget, guys, why I am guiding you this. If you would write now, you would also divide this by 3. I am saying just take this coefficient of x square and multiply with the roots of y square, and do vice versa. If there will be a y square coefficient as well, then coefficient of y square will be multiplied with the x square roots. Everyone, please say understood, yes or no? Come on, say understood, yes or no? Okay. Don't forget to multiply the coefficients. That's very important. Here the coefficient of x square will become 3 and y square will become 2 in case of multiplication. Okay. Just I'm writing down this. In case of multiplication. Now see. 6x square plus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now see. 8 and 3 plus 8 plus 3 minus 8 minus 3. Correct? Come here. 4y square minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Now 8. So 8 would be written like minus 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1. Minus 7. Then this would be plus 8 minus 1. Plus 8 minus 1. Now remember, the coefficient of x square can be taken as 3 also. 3 would be multiplied with this one. And 4 can be taken as 2 also. So 2 would be multiplied with this one. So 8 2 ja minus 16. 3 2 ja minus 6. Okay. Now 3 are 24 plus 24 and minus 3. Now compare. Now you can compare. At any cost, I would say y is greater than x. Say yes or no. B. Clear for everyone? I hope you learned something new. I hope you guys have learned something new here. Come on, say yes or no. I hope you guys have learned something new here. You can call your friends. Okay. Come on, solve. Answer me fast. I'm not going to solve this. Answer me fast. Come on. Now see, here this 2 will be cancelled this 2 times. So y square coefficient is only 1. Don't get confused. Y square coefficient is 1 when you will in case of multiplication. So for this the roots would be how much? The roots would be how much? 15 choke 60. 10 and 6. Minus 10 and minus 6. Roots. Here. The roots would be how much? Minus 2 minus 1. But when you will cancel out 2 2 ja 4. Coefficient of x square is 2. Multiply this by 2. Minus 4 minus 2. Compare. Which one is greater? At no cost, I would say x smaller than y. Option number B. Now I think everybody had started giving me the answer. That's a great part, everyone. That's a good one, guys. Means everyone had started giving me the answers now. This was a question of IBPS PO Prelims 2024. IBPS PO 2024. Please solve. Solve. Come on, guys. Everyone. B. B again. Okay. We got B again. Okay. Let me just make you understand. 6x square plus 25x plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. That's a bigger number, by the way. So we need to wait. Can I write this 24 into 6? Yes. 24 into 6, can we write like 6 into 4? 6 into 4 into 6? Yes. Can we write like 3 into 2? So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So basically 3 3s are 9 and 9 and 16. So basically plus 16 and plus 9. So the roots would be minus 16 and minus 9. Fine. Okay. Let me just see this equation. 12y square plus 13y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So Bharatiya 36. Okay, so that would be what? 9 and 4 plus 9 plus 4. But don't forget, we have a roots to multiply. We have a roots to multiply. So now the root would be what? The coefficient we need to multiply. This would be 6 2 jar 12. So the coefficient of y square will get multiplied with this. 16 2 jar will become 32 minus 32 and 9 2 jar will become minus 18. Correct? At any cost, y is greater. So x is greater than y. I hope everyone understood. Please say. Everyone understood this? Please say. Okay, that's great. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed the class. I will give you one homework as well because I safer that I keep that question for an homework. And this is an homework for all of you. Okay. Please answer me in the comment section and do comment that how was the session. Is the session useful for you? Please do me the write down in the comment section is the session was useful to you, and do come because daily at 10 p.m. I will be live and just providing you all the SBI PO practice questions and PYP at 10 p.m. on this channel. So do subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye everyone. Good night guys. Take care. Bye bye. Signing off, Agnimitra. Bye guys. Thank you, Devamitra. Thanks a lot. I'm so privileged.